Where did who go?
Cool. You want to go see the talking tree? Here, let's go this way. Go that way.
Tree right here.
She'll talk in just a minute. See her eyes? What's this?
I think he's a little scared.
Here.
He wasn't last time, was he?
Hello, I'm Tracy Tree. Here are some fun facts. Do these foods sound familiar? Pineapple, bananas, grapefruit, avocado, and coconuts all originally came from the tropical rainforest.
Heavy.
And so do many spices, such as chocolate, yum, yum, vanilla, nutmeg, cinnamon, black pepper, ginger, and paprika. Chicle, which is used to make chewing gum, as well as bamboo and balsam.
Oh, we're not going to get those out of his hands.
Originally came from rainforest. But we have to be careful not to make too many farms for these foods, because that destroys rainforest too.
You going to put them back?
No, get more.
No. Where what go? Where did who go, buddy?
Babe,
Hi,
is it in our budget to have a
my
coffee?
name is Tracy.
I think so.
Wow.
Yeah.
My parrots and toucans. And look at all those fish.
Is she talking to you, Dax? Yeah.
Eyes? She does have eyes.
I'm not here. Mom's not going to let her come. There they are. No, Mama's are safe. Yeah, Mama's safe. Maybe Mama's safe.
Alligator's not coming, Daxie. Yeah.
Hello, everybody. I'm Tracy Tree. Learning about the rainforest is fun. The rainforest is an ideal place for
Yeah, he thinks so,
all
too.
kinds of animals to live.
I know, isn't
There's
it
plenty
scary?
of food,
It's
water,
okay.
and
Don't worry, it won't bite.
Beetles can get as large as your hand, and moths can grow to the size of small birds. But the truly amazing thing about tropical insects is their variety. One rainforest tree can be the home of up to 200 different kinds of insects. Not 200 insects, but 200 different varieties of tropical insects.
Alligator's not coming, buddy. Yeah, alligator's in the water. You see big elephant? The one when we walked in.
Do you like those animals?
Hey, boys and girls. My name is Tracy Tree. Are you hungry? We have great food.
Say hi, Tracy
Join us
Tree.
for a meal.
Bye, Tracy Tree.
Hey, Mama.
Hey, Mama. Yeah, but I think she's got two of each.
She's got 4.
But I mean, she's got 2 of the same.
Hey, Dax, come here.
Look, he remembers.
Pretty fun to come for his birthday, you know?
We should.
I mean, it's entertaining for him. Fish. Look at that big one back there. He's coming at us. Look at that one. See fish
What
live in the
colors do
water.
you
Look
see,
at the,
Dax?
what color is that fish up there? You see him? What color is he? You want to get down? Okay. hang
Let
on.
him run. Hold on, buddy. We gotta get a table.
Hey, Dax. Dax, we have to wait our turn.
You can go run with him. You can. I mean, is he dancing? Here, I'll go run with him. Why don't you get us a table? We'll find you.